In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your TikTok business account. Whether you're rebranding, updating your username, or just need a fresh start. Changing your account details on TikTok can feel like navigating a maze if you're not sure where to start. Luckily, I'm here to guide you through each step of the process, ensuring you can make the necessary changes quickly and easily. First things first, let's start at the very beginning. You'll need to log into your TikTok account, open your favorite web browser and head over to the TikTok login page. There you'll be presented with several options for logging in, but for our purposes, let's go with Continue with Google. This option is great for those who have linked their Google account with TikTok, streamlining the login process. After selecting Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select the account you wish to use. Choose the Google account you know is linked to your TikTok account. This might require you to briefly divert to check which accounts are on your device, especially if you manage multiple Google accounts. Once you've selected your account, it's time to click Continue. This will seamlessly bridge your Google identity with the TikTok universe, bringing you a step closer to making those needed changes to your profile. Now that you're logged in, let's head to the TikTok homepage to dive deeper. Navigate through the TikTok interface to find the profile option. This could be located at the bottom right hand corner if you're on a mobile device, or on the top right if you're using a web browser. Clicking on your profile will showcase your current profile setup, from your username to your bio. In your profile area, look for the Edit Profile button. It's typically front and center, inviting you to make adjustments to your account details. Clicking this will take you to a section where you can personalize your account even further. Here comes the part you've been waiting for, changing your username. Upon clicking Edit Profile, you'll find a field labeled Username. This is where you can type in your new desired username. Take a moment to think about your new username. It should be unique, reflective of your brand or personal identity, and memorable. Try to avoid using too many numbers or complicated spellings, as you want it to be easy for your audience to find you. After choosing your new username, type it into the provided text box. TikTok will automatically check the availability of the username as you type. If your first choice is taken, don't worry. Be creative, try variations, and you'll soon find the perfect new handle that's uniquely yours. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the process of changing your TikTok business account details. Before wrapping up, take some time to review your profile changes. Ensure everything is spelled correctly and that your new profile aligns with your branding or personal identity goals on TikTok. Remember, your username is often the first thing people see, so making a great impression right off the bat is crucial. One final piece of advice, consider the timing of your username change. If you've recently carried out a marketing campaign or are planning one, ensure your audience can easily find your updated profile. It may be worth announcing the change across your other social media platforms or within your TikTok bio for a short period. And there you have it. Changing your TikTok business account doesn't have to be daunting. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to refreshing your presence on one of the most dynamic social media platforms out there. Whether you're steering a brand in a new direction or updating your personal profile, the power to change is right at your fingertips.